The 2006–2009 Porsche 997 GT3 by camshaft. The Porsche 997 GT3 may have already been replaced by a slew of newer models, including the current generation 991 GT3, but sports cars like this are the rare kind that really lasts the test of time. That's why a tuning company like Camshaft went out of its way to give the sports car quite an aftermarket program. You might notice that this 997 GT3 is wearing a pretty snazzy livery. Look closer and you'll realize that Camshaft, no stranger to fancy dress-ups, gave the German sports car an individually customized Martini Racing design on top of the Pearly White full-scale foil. The Martini Racing livery is the real head-turner here, complete with all the trimmings, lines and even the iconic Mats logo on the hood and doors. Availing of this design will cost you €2,400 for the pearl white finish and €900 for the Martini livery. It's not exactly cheap, but ultimately, it should be worth the investment if you have the finances to do so. But the Martini Racing dress-up isn't the only thing that makes this program stand out. Camshaft also gave the car's engine a little tweaking of its own, courtesy of its in-house PP Performance Engine Optimization program. With this and €1,899 modification, Camshaft was able to increase the 997 GT3's output to 435 horsepower, 20 ponies more than the standard output. It still falls short of the current 475 horsepower output of the current 991 GT3, but it's still a nice bump in our opinion. Click past the jump to read about the Porsche 997 GT3. 2006–2009 Porsche 997 GT3. At that time, the Porsche 997 GT3 was Porsche's most powerful naturally aspirated 911 ever. It's since been eclipsed by a number of models, but to this day, the 997 GT3 still holds the cache as one of the most impressive sports cars the German automaker has ever built. It came with a 3.6-liter flat-six engine that produced 415 horsepower while mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. With that much power in tow, the 997 GT3 was capable of hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds with a top speed of 193 miles per hour. Those numbers are standard for supercars these days, but 7 years ago, they were off the charts.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.